If you're an engineer, surveyor or contractor and always shooting levels, life's just become a lot easier with Levelbook.
With the app in servo mode, I will show you how to check an allotment's levels and GPS coordinates. Using land department records, we know our nearest permanent mark's location, its number and its elevation. Open the app, select servo mode, select units and select start new survey. Confirm selections by tapping yes on the pop-up. A further pop-up appears with GPS information. Tap OK. On this screen, tap job file number, then using the keypad enter the file number. Ours is 85 High Street. Fill in the surveyor and task details. The date will automatically load. Then tap the next arrow. On this screen, enter your PM description. Ours is PM 480 with an elevation of 12.670. Now set up your survey equipment to read the backside. You can use an optical level, but today I'm alone, so I'll use a laser. For correct GPS locations, you must enter staff readings standing on the measure point. Our allotment is some distance, so we will need to use change points to reach it. Open Levelbook and tap Backsite, then read the staff on the permanent mark and enter its value, in our case 1.700. All required data is now entered, so tap the next arrow. Now leapfrog the instrument and set your change points. Ours is a cat's eye on the road. The next page is a standard page layout. It will block data entry from incorrect cells and give pop-up messages of instruction. On this page you will notice the backside cell is blocked as your last reading was a backside. Now enter a description for change point 1, read the staff and enter its value as the foresight. Ours is 1.650. Leapfrog your first change point and reset your instrument. Then read the staff on change point 1 and enter the reading in backside. Ours is 1.640. Now tap the next arrow. Walking past the instrument, we then set change point 2. Enter its description, then tap foresight, read the staff and enter its value. Ours is 1.320. After moving, set up the instrument to read the staff on change point 2. Tap backside and enter its value. Now we are at the survey site. All entries will be in intermediate cells and must be made while standing on the measure point for accurate GPS. We want to pick up levels on the four corners of our allotment and we will start with the path at the front. Take your staff reading, tap intermediate and enter its value and description. Then tap the next arrow. Repeat the process for the other corners. After completing your site levels, you need to return to the permanent mark and close your survey. Walk the staff back to change point 2 or create a new change point for closing the survey. Enter the description and the reading as a foresight. The instrument leapfrogs the change point to take a backside. Then continue the process until you reach the start. Take your last shot on the PM as a foresight and enter its description. You can now rotate the app to compare your start and finish elevations and all other data, and email the survey. Rotate back, then tap finish and save. A pop-up will advise of the closure status. Now with Levelbook, a project manager can remotely check the levels workers are about to use.